Hello, students of grade 9. Welcome to this video on food and textile studies. We are going to look at textile technology, namely knitted fabrics, their performance characteristics, and end uses. Let us look at the learning objectives of this lesson. This video will help you to identify the knitted fabric structure, explain the performance characteristics of knitted fabrics, and list the common end uses of knitted fabrics. Knitting is another method of fabric construction. Knitting is done by interlooping a single yarn to form a series of loops on a knitting machine. Knitting is manufactured by using a single continuous yarn to make loops which are interlocked together in horizontal rows, thus creating a knitted structure. When having a look at a knitted fabric, you will notice a series of loops which are connected to one another in rows. Knitted fabric can easily snag, that is, it can get out of shape. Knitted fabric can also unravel. Unravel is to separate the yarn out of the knitted or woven fabrics. Let us look at the performance characteristics of knitted fabrics. Knitted fabrics are usually stretchable, thus making them very comfortable to wear as they allow for body movements. Knitted fabrics provide warmth when worn. Now let us consider the different end uses of knitted fabrics in our daily life. They are commonly used to make t-shirts, polo shirts, pullovers, cardigans, gloves, socks, and scarves. This activity will allow you to understand the performance characteristics of knitted fabrics. As materials, you will require any knitted garments, for example, a pair of socks, a tracksuit, or a pullover. You will also require a magnifying glass. Observe the fabric structure of the knitted garments with the help of a magnifying glass. Draw your observations in your copybook. Discuss why the fabric is suitable for the purpose intended. It is good to note that knitting was first done manually using 2 long needles. Hand knitting is considered as a craft activity and hobby. For some people, it is their source of income by knitting clothes for babies and adults. Now let us summarize about the performance characteristics of knitted fabrics. Knitted fabrics provide warmth when worn. They are stretchable, thus making them very comfortable to wear as they allowed for body movements. However, knitted fabric can easily distort out of shape. You will note that knitted fabrics do not fray. As exercises, you will be requested to answer the following questions. Number 1, list 5 items made from knitted fabrics that you often use. Second question, why are pullovers and tracksuits made from knitted fabrics? Question 3, state which performance characteristics make each of the following textile items suitable for its end use. First one, a pair of gloves. Second one, a scarf. Third one, a pair of socks. Give 2 reasons to support the answers given in 3A for each textile item. Now let us summarize this lesson. At the end of this video, you have learned that knitting is another method of fabric construction. Knitted fabrics consist of a series of loops. Knitted fabrics are elastic and provide warmth to the body. Thank you for your attention. Until the next, goodbye.